everybody, welcome to the new and improved vlog from Prince Gentle, also known as the one and only Video Dread. Right now, oh you sure that's yours?
No.
Alright, we are,
where's yours?
we find it eventually. What we're doing now, we're heading to St. Elizabeth to do a music video. Leon is right there.
What's up?
The giant in the team. So
Okay, shorty.
what? Yeah, this is Pixel Edge's team short. Exactly. So right now, everybody, we're heading out. Alright, so people take a look at break. We're up on the toll there now. Laying there, so tired. Hold on. Tired? Alright, we have a set of mad people right about now, so popping right there, so. Them two over there, so. Yeah, me here, so. So you know the thing. Yeah, everybody fucked up, except me. I'm not fucked up still. I'm not fucked up though. We're there up on that level still, I want to look a vibe, so we're there. So we're there now.
One thing no popping over here and all it, see me?
Sultan.
They died off. We make money this sky la.
Reggie.
Yo, what you know? You don't know things set in a video shoot, you know, you see me day one. You see Bray? Yeah, you don't know how the video dread himself. Nah, man.
You know normal. You cheat them out. But I kind of gun that here was a lift it up. Alright people, after almost 4 hours of driving, we finally reached the location. But that's St. Elizabeth. Black River to be exact, so you don't know the thing go. Finally reached, all team there. Black shirt dirty.
Boom, boom.
Over there, you see me? Late over here, sir.
Shot caller, top baller, video shoot idea. Them dead, starstruck, dangerous.
They never dead. Let's go there, sir.
Yeah man, bro, you know the thing I ever thank Gentles, Pixel Studios, and next one, you hear that?
It's a tally, yes or no?
No, the Ash program, that. We say Ash, Ash, Ash Poopa, Ash Mama. You know, hashtag when you hashtag, make sure you hashtag Ash program, one squad, either.
I bought it up. Yo, what are they? They done the chaser?
Blood out there. No man, chaser. Chaser, bar there, so you know.
I don't know what's a bar there, but.
No man, bar there, man, good man, I'm here, man. Bar there and star there, Video Dread.
Oh.
You're not have to worry about that thing.
Alright, people, so we're still up on the shoot. Yeah, Leon, you're tall, so you know, see. Yeah. Alright, so people still up on set right now, out of the scene where the cars them pulling.
Esco forward on the vlog.
Esco there, film scene, we go there right now. The man deck out them all white for them.
Yeah, you know the thing, big up to Pixel Edge family, you know, we're there, shoot the first
Yeah,
scene.
all of them.
Sent you with there right now, shooting the video for WhatsApp message. You know the thing, the girl, them, I request you to forward them. I'll check them, but there's a twist to the story, you know, go stay tuned.
Alright, no problem.
Mansion book for the whole weekend, so you know
Fancy
the thing.
father and I'm over there take a walk
Yeah.
back. Eating mangoes. Alright, so
So we're there, I do the shoot. Slide on camera, you don't know the thing go out.
Alright.
Soon.
After you look shocked, if anything, you know that what about this, after you look shocked, if you can also.
yes, nah.
Tell me say she need my body close. She says she want company. Say now what's up, man?
Early morning walk, you know. On the beach, you understand.
For sure, some I see them, you understand? The way of them have to move out some of my footprint, them, you understand? Yeah, we there. Them that say are there too, but I don't know for we are there few. At the video shoot, you see me? Rich girl is WhatsApp message. Yeah, man, at what time?
After 7
After
to 7, I should say.
Yeah, to 7 now, 6:30, alright.
Alright.
Them say the shoot still going on now, but the night scene it tough last night, so you know, a trouble night man, you know. I don't feel like me there wait, but I don't know. One cup of rum, that I might activate the thing. Boom, boom, boom! Top baller, shot caller.
Every time I do video for you, every time you complain something I do nothing and then when I see footage, oh this body you know. This body
Never
not
tell her
gonna
that
stop. Now go, you know, I resign. Fuck off.
Him can't resign, him can't resign. I own him. Alright, so people still there on set. We're there. Come out of my shot now, dog.
Don't resign, you know, I can't
Alright,
never
good.
move on this.
So, we're there in my backyard, people. I do a shoot. I'm just kidding. I wish I had a backyard like this, but
Wait, that's only right. That's all. Look more than I am. Like it.
You have to know, you're not the happy grow. You're a Rastafari from Willical and I grow nothing, no. You're not the happy grow. But don't go out with strange and no. No, you're not the happy grow. You're a Rastafari from Willical and I grow nothing, no.
ain't up on the wall now. Hey there.
You red boom. Some boy want a bad girl like me. What me do? Put on me black nighty. Give me what me want, spoil me. Boom boom start do hurdles. Pussy just a jump up, me see the man